Everybody needs to know how to draw a puppy. So we're going to start with a couple of lines right on the sides. We're just going to draw the side of our puppy's head just for now, just to get started, just like that. And then on the inside, we're going to make kind of a W shape, but make sure that the point right here doesn't go very far. That's going to be his cheeks, and right here we'll draw his big nose. It's going to be kind of a triangle, but the edges are going to be curved. And then right underneath we'll draw his tongue, because of course the puppy's got to have his tongue hanging out. And then we'll just draw this line underneath. And then now we can draw the eyes. We're going to draw some big puppy dog eyes. We're going to keep it simple with some big circles or ovals. Do that on both sides. And the trick to making puppy dog eyes, or cute little puppy dog eyes, is to make his eyes looking up. So we're going to draw a curved line like that. And then a couple little circles or ovals right in the center. That's going to be the little highlights. Once we color it in, it'll look really cool. Now on the top, we're going to leave a little space right here, a little empty space. That's where the ears are going to go. We're going to draw the top of his head. And then the start to his ears. It's going to kind of poke up like that, just a little bit. And then curve down at an angle. Have it curve just a little bit right here. And then curve again. And then curve down. This is how you make big floppy ears. And then curve just a little bit on the tip. We'll curve it. And we're going to have it go overlap just a little bit right in front of the head. We'll do the same thing on this side. Curve it down. And then here's the big floppy part. And have it overlap in front of the cheek. Now here's the fun part. You can either add a little bow tie or let's add a bow tie. We'll just put a little rectangle underneath the tongue. And then a big bow tie. Just like that. And you could add this little part at the bottom and a little ribbon. If I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause the video or rewind it if you need to. Now let's add our little puppy legs. You're going to kind of curve around and then tilt out right at the bottom and have big puppy feet. And then it's going to curve up. Not too far, just like that. We'll do the same thing over here. And curve those little puppy paws out. Have it kind of flat on the bottom. Now I'm going to make this, we're going to make them a little bit thicker. I'm going to fix this one over here. We want it thicker. Real thick puppy feet. Now we'll draw a line right here. That's going to be his little belly. And if you follow that line over, that's going to be the start to his hind legs. And we'll draw just a big oval there on both sides. Then right about here, right next to the ribbon, we'll draw a curved line for his back legs. Now we just need to draw his tail. And his little paw, his little doggy paws. We're going to curve them this way like a C on this side. And then curve them kind of like a D on the other side. Now we just need to outline it in ink. So I'm going to grab my felt tip pen, and when I do this, I'm going to add a little bit of texture, kind of with these little squiggle lines, so it looks like fur, so it doesn't look like we've got a little shaved puppy. And then if you've ever seen my puppy, she's not quite a puppy anymore, but she's a golden doodle, so she's got real crazy hair. So maybe this is right after my little golden doodle got a haircut. But she's about just over a year old, so she's not quite a puppy anymore, but she still acts like it. Then we'll draw the eyes. And we'll start adding all of those little details and reflections in the eyes. You want to see how this one is just a little bit bigger than that one. If you mess up the eye a little bit, it's okay because we're going to color it in. Now we'll draw the tongue and the bottom of his little chin or his mouth there. And then when I do this ribbon or this bow, whatever it is, I'm going to kind of curve it in a little bit. And right here, we add that little curl right there. That kind of makes it look like a ribbon instead of just a bow or a bow tie. And we'll add the bottom here. And if you didn't want to add the bow tie, you could have just added a collar or nothing. You could have just left it without anything. But I thought it looked kind of cool. I'm going to draw the little paws and his little legs. And his little toes. Some more little texture for the fur. A little bit more over here. That's kind of his knee, so the hair is going to kind of point up a little bit and then wrap around. And then we'll draw, and I'm going to make this toe stick out a little bit further. And then we're not drawing the top of the circle, just the bottom. And then we'll draw his tail. Now I'm going to switch to a thicker pen so I could color these black spots in. And you can see that that makes a big difference. So you can actually see our little puppy dog eyes looking up at you, looking all cute and happy. And then we can color, let's color the nose in too. We're going to leave a little spot right on the top though. That's the highlight, where the light is shining on it. And then just on the inside of our little ribbon. And then I'm going to draw just a little bit under all of our puppy. And that'll give a little shadow underneath. And maybe let's curve that around and kind of connect it. Now let's erase our pencil lines once your ink dries. And then, like always, I'm going to outline just the outside a little bit thicker to finish it off. But if you like your thin lines, you could leave it that way. See those little small details in the fur? Really changes the look of them. It adds a little character and makes them look kind of fluffy. When I did this tutorial on TikTok, got over 10 million views. Couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it. So it seems like everybody wants to know how to draw a cute little puppy. There we go. Hopefully yours turned out just as cute as mine did. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.